So if a sample of C3H8 is burned, what mass of H2O is produced if the reaction also produces 50 liters of CO2 at STP? Volume A to mass B. Volume A, moles B, mass B. So start with your given. So this is volume A, so we're going to moles A. So using the triangle, 22.4 liters per. So this liters cancels out. So now we do mole ratio, because now we're at moles A, so we go to moles B. So this is like the pink highlighter. So 3 moles of CO2 and 4 moles of H2O. So CO2 goes in the denominator. And then 4 moles. Okay, moles. Now we go from moles B to mass B using molar mass of H2O. So now moles 3.6 grams.